Okay, so I'm sitting here in my 2010 Town and Country, and I've been having problems with a knocking type of sound coming from behind the glove box. So here's my glove box, and it's always when I have my AC on. So I think it also happens when the heat's on. But as long as I'm using this button right here, or this knob, if I turn it on, then when the car is running, then it will start knocking. And I'll show you what it sounds like. How strange. It's not happening. I'll show you how to take the glove box off, because that was one thing that I was having a hard time knowing how to do. So at least this is for a 2010 Town and Country Chrysler. So what I did was I opened this up, and then if you look over here, there's a little black thing that went in there that I had to slide out. And then it went back here, so it's the little part that slides is in the back of this right now. And then there's these knobs on the side here that you have to squeeze in. So, but you have to do it on both sides at the same time. There's also one over here as well. It's kind of hard to see, but I will try to do that. So this one, you just have to squeeze in until it can fit past that. You have to do it with both hands at the same time. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so what I realized was that taking off the glove box didn't fix it earlier, but what had happened was that I had the recirculation button still pressed because I'd been experimenting turning this on and off. So now the recirculation button is off, and now when I turn it on, this is the knocking sound you hear. So now I'm going to try to get the glove box off. So I finally got the glove box off. These are the knobs that you have to be pressing in at the same time on both sides. And then you have to pull at the same time while you're pressing them in really hard. It's a little hard, but it can be done. Anyway, so this is what it looks like inside. This is where you hear the knocking sound. So I'm hearing it right behind this, and I can even see it kind of moving, something moving inside there with the tapping sound. So I know that's the part I'm going to have to take off to be able to get to it.